you know that I'm shopping. The bread, it's all in the wallet. The women and men, they always be talking to women and men. They always be stalking the women and men. They always be watching.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're back at it. Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. So, if you want to go check out any cryptocurrencies, you can go to CoinMarketCap. And so what I learned was Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency. Before, I thought Bitcoin was the main and cryptocurrencies was under it. But I was sadly mistaken, like normal. That's probably why I don't go to school. I'm joking with you guys, but Bitcoin, let's talk about it. Ethereum is a new upcoming one that I believe has growth. Ripple, I heard good things about Ripple, and right now it's priced at $1.78. I believe yesterday it was priced at about 78 cents, a little more or a little less. Litecoin, $2.49.58. The other day it was at $2.43. So I've been watching for the past few days because I just started getting into it, and I was thinking about investing in certain ones. So Litecoin was one I was going to invest in. Ripple, Bitcoin Gold, I just heard about that a few minutes ago, and it looks like it's at low right now. So if you got into it at $2.58, then that would be a good price to get in at. And if it went up dramatically, just like Bitcoin, then it would be pretty good. Then we got Zcash at $554.36. I never really heard of some of these, probably because I haven't been around that long, a few days, but I just been checking a few of them out. Bitcoin, BYTE coin, not Bitcoin, but it's at less than $1. So some of these are good to get into because any currency can crash. The US dollar can crash. It's all about supply and demand. So it's just like print on demand on Shopify or Teespring or any platform that does print on demand. The more people need it, which is the demand, the more you gotta, send out orders, which is the supply. So more people that want shirts, you gotta keep giving more shirts to them because you want to make some money or whatever the case may be. So just like a few of these coins, the more people need them, the higher the price will go up. Bitcoin wasn't always at $14,000. There was this guy that got in when it was, say, $1 or under $1. He spent $200 on it. Now he's 18 years old and now he's a millionaire just because he made some lucky guesses when he was a kid, or he learned about it when he was a kid and thought it was a good idea. So Binance coin is another one that I was thinking about investing in. Digibyte, maybe one too. And I saw BYTE Ball Byte or wherever that is. It's at $826. So it's at a high right now, and I was thinking about getting in on it right now before it gets, like super higher and like the prices start rising. I saw Zcoin also. And Zcoin, I was thinking about getting on that too. So with cryptocurrencies, you can either buy one or you could buy a percentage, or you could buy more than one. There's no limit. But for me, I would say invest a good $100 into one that you think is going to, go up or have good sales. And so if you do lose money, you lose only $100, which is what, a weekend out. at the prices now, a week and out, say you grab some alcohol or some liquor or whatever, that's about $40. Say if you catch a Lyft or Uber, $20 to $40. Say if you're going with people, then it's really, a higher price, especially on Fridays and Saturdays due to high demand, just like the products here. So, the US dollar can crash at any time because it's supply and demand. If nobody needs it, then why is it going to be around? That's just wasting even more money. But I heard on some of these currencies that the banks were going to start using them. I heard a bank in Japan was going to start using one, but I forget which one. There was this guy on YouTube Live that I heard talking about, he wasn't really talking, but it was just a picture and he was live, and a lot of people was talking about it. And this one guy said, check out Patcoin, it's going to be a new thing. So I was like, alright, like I know nothing about cryptocurrencies. So I looked up, any website, clicked on this one, saw the values of the coins, went to Patcoin. Then actually it just went down. It was just at 18 cents like 2-3 minutes ago. But now it's at, not 8 cents, it's less than $1. So I was looking at, and I heard Patcoin has some big potential because this guy spent, I forget how much he spent, but he put, I know it's $80 for 10 million Patcoins, and he has 80 million Patcoins, so he spent a little good portion on it. And so he was telling me how he makes $100 an hour from it, and I was like, wow, that's amazing, because I'm an entrepreneur myself. I don't have any sales yet, and I'm trying to get my sales up, and I might buy a course and stuff like that. And so I'm just trying to learn. Growth is the best possible way. Tahe Lopez said one of the smartest things, if you know you're in a room with someone that's better at you than something, you should just act like you don't know anything at all. Even if you know something, act like you don't know anything at all, because you walk in the room with, say, 20 thoughts, and if you talk the whole time, you leave with 20 thoughts too. But if you listen, you're going to leave with 40 thoughts. He just taught me that, and Tahe Lopez inspires me so much just because his background. And I know he's not African American like I am, but his background was like the typical African American or black guy. He wasn't rich. He didn't grow up with his mom, buying him Ferraris, buying him his Rolls Royce he got, So his mom was scraping to get by just like everyone else. And, he's a humble person, and I really like, I would be cool with him on a personal level more than just a business level, more than just trying to get his money, him to be my mentor, how to do his sales. But as a friend perspective, he would be a good friend just because me and him have understandable backgrounds, not coming from nothing, struggling to get by, barely having food in the house, so that's just one person that inspires me. But back to what y'all are here for, Bitcoins, cryptocurrencies. I keep saying Bitcoins. They're not Bitcoins. They're cryptocurrencies. So, this one, Vertissimo is at $364. I would get in on it, maybe. We're going to check the sales and see how it's doing. Like, load the server. Oh, and if y'all ever want to go buy a coin or, buy a cryptocurrency, you can go check out Coinbase. Invest, how to buy Litecoin. It tells you everything you need here, buy and sell digital currency. because that's all it is. It's a digital thing. It's not, you can't hold a Bitcoin, but you can hold the money you get from a Bitcoin, you know. But check out Coinbase if y'all want to start. You know, it's free. All you gotta do is sign up. I believe you gotta be 18 though. That's the one thing nobody told me, but this one guy was doing it and he wasn't 18, but he might have been 18 at the time. So, you know, I was like, it's whatever. I got like literally 20 days until I'm 18. Probably from, maybe not from when this video drops, because, you know, I got edited and stuff like that. But some of these cryptocurrencies, like DigiX, DAO, it's at 167. So I can see potential in it, just because, like, for me, I look at how much the price is worth. So if the price is worth like maybe $100, $50, and I can see it going up like this, then I would invest in it. So just like this, how it, when it came out, $31. It was $31, you know, moved kind of slow, hit May. Okay, we're racking in $17, we get to $30, and slowly we just start moving. So let's see, then it was at $100, then it kept fluctuating, so it kept getting higher and lower, then it went down to about $46, you know, it boosted right back up, came in heavy. Then right now it's back at $140, but up here it's at 167. So it grew, it definitely grew. I would definitely invest in it. The only thing, if you want to invest in certain ones of these and you want to go through a website, you gotta have to have like a Bitcoin or a certain kind of currency that it takes. So like for Patcoin, I know Patcoin takes Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and I think maybe Ethereum, maybe. But like Blocknet looks like it's going up on the charts. Maybe Edgeless too. And it's just the small ones that, you know, count. It's just like the small things in life. I'm reading this book called Failing Forward by John C. Maxwell, turning mistakes into stepping stones of success. So, you know, it's the little things that make you great. Now I'm also reading this other book. I'm reading a few books, you guys, but one of the other books I'm reading, The Slight Edge, tells you about how you make your daily habits, and sooner or later, like over time, it will make you who you are. If you're successful or not depends on the habits you have. And these books really taught me a lot. I want to say shout out to my brother Balan, because without this, you know, I probably wouldn't be at this stage of my life, you know, within like trying to grow myself fully, not just financial wise, but mind, body, spirit, soul, health, you know, all of the above. So we also got maybe, I would say, a few of them growing. Cloak coin looks like it's at $29. I want to invest in so many of these coins just to have them, just in case, you know. But I say put $100 as your, you know, testing bridge. Even if you can't get the full coin, you got part of a coin, you know, and that can always come up or go down. And if it is less than $1 or less than $100, like some of these other ones, you could just have like a big heaping amount of them until you need them to buy some other currencies, or until, you know, you want to sell it. But that's going to wrap this video up, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Definitely comment if you want more dropshipping videos or cryptocurrencies. I'm going to be dropping both, but if you want, you know, more of one than the other, let me know. If y'all have any special requests, please let me know also. Like, I will do how-to videos and all that on my other channel. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see y'all later on the flip side. See y'all.